Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is General OG and we are back with another video. And we are here with King J.
Hey guys, well, welcome to General OG's channel.
Make sure you
right now, there's some technical difficulties going on, so that's why I haven't been making any videos.
But make sure you go check out his channel, subscribe, like, hit his notifications, and comment down on his videos. But for my channel, make sure you subscribe, like, hit the notifications, comment down below. What do you want me to play next? And be the top 10 to comment down below so you can get a shout out. And shout out to Aiden because he's what are you doing? But shout out to Aiden because he was the first one to comment down below and nobody else did. So yeah, shout out to you, Aiden. Oh no, not that Aiden. It's another Aiden. You can talk. I'm not trying to like hog you up, but let's get into the game, y'all. It will kind of be some lagging in here, so get prepared for that. Cause when I make a video, sometimes the game's lag. It was an upload I was trying to make. It lagged so much, even the recording lag. What kind of? Stop making them sounds. Nasty. Dude, this is supposed to be.
Girl, you spending all your money.
It's supposed to be a video for children. King.
I'm doing Jeffy impressions.
Dude, no.
Hey,
He's gonna get him some food, aren't you? Okay, but this is a family-friendly video. We can't have that. Cool. You could have at least closed the door. I'm sorry if it's some air. Please, guys. Just ooh. Okay, so what I have to do is keep tapping here. Make sure you go check this game out in the App Store. It's Tap to Riches, and we about to get rich. We only got 6,000. If I can tap my house like so many times to get rich, I'm doing it. We already got 12,000 jammers. 12,000. This is nice. I'm gonna keep buying this. We can't buy that yet.
What can you do?
Oh, this cut right here.
Dang, you need 60,000? Silent. Wait, what happens when you get done with this?
I move on to Motor City, which is Detroit.
Yeah.
It's not really Detroit. It's just called Motor City.
Well, yeah, Motor City is called Detroit. Or is it the other way?
Okay, I want to know if I can get bits in.
Because, oh yeah, guys. Since I'm in vlog today with you guys.
It's not a vlog.
Since I'm in the video today with you guys, comment for my next video. Comment down below what games do you guys want me to play next.
Oh, now you commenting on mine?
I'm just saying.
And just so you know, guys, make sure you go check this game out in the App Store. I forgot. Oh, man. Got what I was gonna say. Whatever. Let me turn this up a little because I cannot hear. Turn it down.
Mobile play.
There we go.
Mobile play. Ouch!
Stop touching my feet. Nasty. You threw something at my pinky toe. No.
Are you almost done?
No.
That game froze. Wait, it automatically buys it for you?
No.
Oh.
What do you think this is?
Ruth's Chris.
This ain't no Woos. What? Zeus? The Zendad?
Last week was the old me. This week is the new me.
Zendaddy. Come on, man. I want something. Let me get something else. A better advisor.
Wiz. Like you about to go take a whiz and then it's cool.
Give me I want Donald Trump. Don't give me Donald Trump. Give me Hillary Clinton. No, don't give me Hillary Clinton. Give me
Bernie Sanders.
No. Give me the dragon.
Bernie Sanders.
Give me the dragon. Come on. No. Yes, stay on here. What do I have? Always
Bernie
get these.
Sanders.
No. Why isn't it working? Yeah, I don't want.
Boy, why is your forehead wrinkle lines all the way on the back of your head? Oh, it's down there. I feel bad for you, Jordan. Who's this guy? You got
on the left right there.
weird names. He's gonna give 50 diamonds.
No. Be quiet.
How many diamonds you got?
None.
You broke.
And we got 25.
What if you have 5,200?
I don't know. But guys, I think I'm going to end this video here. We got really far with this game and got a new advisor. Next time I want a second one. But anyway, guys, make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below. Wait, no, subscribe, like, hit the notifications, comment down below what do you want me to play next, and be the first top 10 to comment down below so you can get a shout out in my next video. And I don't know what else to say, but see ya.